Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide valuable insights into the world of stock market investing. In this video, we will be discussing how to turn a small investment into a massive windfall in the Indian stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a highly profitable endeavor, but it can also be risky. However, with the right strategy and approach, it is possible to turn a small investment into a massive windfall in the Indian stock market. Tip number 1. Do your research. The first step to turning a small investment into a massive windfall is to do your research. You need to understand the Indian stock market and the companies you are investing in. Look at the company's financials, its competitive landscape, and its growth potential. This will help you make informed investment decisions. Tip number 2. Be patient. The second tip is to be patient. The stock market can be volatile, and it's important not to panic when the market goes down. Stick to your investment strategy and don't let your emotions guide your investment decisions. Tip number 3. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of stocks across different sectors and industries. Tip number 4. Invest for the long term. Investing for the long term is crucial to turning a small investment into a massive windfall. Don't get caught up in short-term gains or losses. Focus on the long-term potential of your investments and stay invested for the long haul. Tip number 5. Reinvest your earnings. Finally, reinvesting your earnings is a great way to grow your investment portfolio. As your investments grow, reinvest your earnings back into the stock market to further increase your returns. In conclusion, turning a small invest into a massive windfall in the Indian stock market requires research, patience, diversification, a long-term investment strategy, and reinvesting your earnings. Remember to stay focused on your investment goals and don't let short-term fluctuations in the market deter you from your long-term strategy. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon on our channel.